From asingle tenei seet nestlet en wel dry net soil, te Jerniae of Alpine tree begins witte af fragiele taproot aanshoring itself deep into te jaarte. Tes initial rood seekswater, while it first sweet breaks droge te surface, stretching towards sinnigheid, developing its distinctieve nederlijke liafes. Dominated by asingle, stryg het tendral liader, the sapling fuchsies al its energie om vertiesel grofte, outcompeting surrounding plants voorligget. Ofer manai eiers, tes disciplinet etwaar drie slopes, antitrees energiesifts outwaard, tekening its strength and branching out into te isonig conical sape. Its bark bekomes rigid and deeplei ferrovet, protecting against vere and pests, while te rood system etspans to bekome vast, solid network that silently stabilizes the soil. Finally, after decades of patent maturation, the adult pine produces conus, releasing seeds to begin te chykle aan, a living testament to resilience and gradual involvering growth.